Alright guys, in the other video we did about how to withdraw your dog's eardrop into Bybit. Um the new the breaking news is that new exchanges has been added to dog's eardrop withdrawal. Go to your exchanges, click on continue. As you can see, Bitget is now available. So if you want to withdraw your funds, your eardrop to Bitget, this is how to go about it. You click on Bitget, click on send here. If you don't have account, click on no, let's create it. If you have, click on yes, I have it. The only thing you need here is Bitget UID and your deposit address. So let me go back to my own Bitget app. You will click on menu once you are in your app like this. You tap on this UID, tap on it, then go back to the app. Paste your UID here. That's my own UID. Dog deposit address. Click on assets. Click on add fund. Click on deposit crypto. Search for dogs. So that's the dogs that we are looking for. Click on it. Network will be turn coin, that's it. So turn coin, then you copy the address. This one does not have memo, just only address. You copy the address, then go back to the app, paste the address, click on send here. So I'll make sure you check before sending. So let me confirm my own address before sending. Seems everything is perfect. And make sure that you pass KYC before you see Bitget, because you will not be able to trade if you don't pass KYC. So as you can see, my own account here has been verified. So as you can see, I'm a verified user. So make sure that you verify yours too before withdrawing there. Then you click, once you finish everything like that, then you click on I confirm. Then we say deposit in progress, click on woof. So you have successfully withdraw your airdrop to your exchanges of choice. So that's everything about dogs airdrop claiming. See you guys in the next one.